How to design flower in Adobe Illustrator. First, select the ellipse tool and draw to overlapping circles. Make sure one circle slightly overlaps the other for the center shape of our petal. Next, select both circles, open the Pathfinder panel, and choose Intersect. This keeps only the overlapping area and gives us a clean petal shape. Select the new shape, then switch to the pen tool and draw a line to the shape. Then press-hold Alt key to bend the line. Click the Selection tool and select Shape. Then click the Rotate tool and point to the lower part of the shape. Then hold the Alt key and click to drag the shape to duplicate. Now click the Selection tool and select the shapes. Then click the Shape Builder tool, then hold Alt to remove the unwanted parts of the shape. Now let's add color to the shape. Follow along as I use the Fill option and apply a gradient. After applying the color to the shape, click the Rotate tool and point it again in the lower part of the shape. Now hold Alt and drag the shape to make a duplicate. Next, press Ctrl+D to duplicate the shape. which will automatically rotate and arrange it to form a flower. And that's how you design a simple yet professional flower in Adobe Illustrator. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and Illustrator guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.